Let's get to this week's edition of Ask Ellen. Tonight, a caller on the telephone wants to know what causes lightning.
I like this. You know, simple.
Yeah.
And a lot of people actually don't know the answer to this, so I was excited to tackle it.
Let's do it.
Lightning is super interesting. Lightning, of course, impacts us especially in the fall and not as much in the winter, but spring and summer it ignites. And that's because usually we need warm air to trigger some of those cumulonimbus clouds. Now, as those cumulonimbus clouds grow, we see water droplets at the surface rise and then get colder, and this causes ice particles within the cloud too. So those start crashing around together, and as they crash around, they actually produce charged particles. So we have collisions creating charges within the clouds, and then what's more interesting is those charges start to organize. So it's almost like an Oreo cookie. We've got positive on top, we've got negative close to the bottom of the base of the cloud, and then right at ground level, we have a lot of positive charges. Well, those positive and negative charges end up colliding and connecting to dispel that energy. So it is ice, basically, colliding that helps to create lightning strikes. The most strong, or the strongest of which, I should say, are those ones that come from the anvil. So with that being said, with the fact that you need water droplets and ice particles together, if you have more hail in a storm, you end up getting more lightning. So if it's like a huge lightning producer, probably hail within the storm. Warm storms like hurricanes have very little lightning, because it's all water droplets. So as they collide, they just kind of get bigger instead of like creating charged particles as much. And storms at night can be especially loud. I kind of wanted to throw that in as a bonus Ask Ellen. It's due to an inversion, but if you have a lot of lightning at night, they can be especially loud. It has nothing to do with the hail or the coldness. It's just that we have an inversion at the surface.
A fantastic example of a question I thought I knew the answer to, and I didn't. Who knew ice was involved?
Who knew ice was involved? Ice is the basis of lightning. Not a lot of ice in our 8-day forecast, just warm temps, 80s across the board, and lots of sunshine.
Beautiful days ahead. Good night, Grand Rapids. See you later.